What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is another popular question I get a lot is, do I like the sound of the Stainless Works headers and the Stainless Works exhaust? Short answer, yes. It's slowly starting to grow on me. I'm starting to like it more and more. I did hear Corsa Extreme in person, and I'm gonna try to get some sound clips of that next time I hang out with this guy. But he's one of my buddies. He's got just a stock SRT, but he does have a Corsa Extreme on it, so I definitely want to get some footage of that next time I see him. But do I like this combo? Yeah, I do actually. The exhaust is growing on me more and more. So if you watch my last video, my way back when I did the header, just the headers alone, and I had the stock exhaust and I got the mid muffler delete, that was pretty loud. I was like doing like takeoffs with it. Go check out that video if you haven't watched it. But honestly, it was really loud. And so when I put on the Stainless Works exhaust, it kind of toned it down a little bit, kind of gave it that muscle, like that classic muscle like sound to it. But when I get on the highway and I start accelerating, like, you can really hear this thing. It's pretty loud. So I have no complaints. I do enjoy it. So today's video, I'm just gonna get some exhaust clips. I'll do a cold start, just idle, take it on the highway with the GoPro, get some sounds. I wish I had my girlfriend here. Shout out to Brooke. She will be coming back to the videos soon. She's just been super busy with school and stuff like that. So, you know, she'll be in, you know, some definitely some upcoming videos soon, and hopefully she'll be able to record some, you know, drive-bys and stuff like that. But yeah, so today we'll do some cold starts, just idle sounds. Like I said, I'm gonna put the GoPro on the back. We'll take it on the highway. We'll see what it sounds like. And you guys can, if you guys are in the market for either headers or an exhaust, or you're thinking about doing the whole package, getting it tuned, then this is definitely the video you want to check out. Let's get into it. what it sounds like inside the car. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. Just a quick video on exhaust sounds. I did a cold start, warm idle, warm start, just driving around on the highway. I tried to get as much sounds as I could. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're almost to 500 subs, man. I'm going to do a giveaway when we get hit to 500. I'll do like another Amazon giveaway. And honestly, the first guy that actually won, which his name is G Vader, still never hit me up. So G Vader, if you're watching the video, hit me up on Instagram. I still owe you a gift card, bro. So come claim your prize. But yeah, so once we get to 500, I'll do a little giveaway. I do appreciate you guys. I appreciate all the new subs, and I'm definitely going to try to stick to 2 videos a week, so stay tuned for the next video. Peace.